Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, siguro pansin nyo yung itsura ko parang ano no. So, medyo inuubo ako, sinisipon. Pero sige, share lang muna no. So, ang naisip kong i-share ay yung ah, kind of government na meron tulad ng China no, yung North Korea. Anong mga bansa ito? Sila ay yung mga communist country katulad ng Russia. So yun yung tatlo ang sa akin personally, yun ang tatlo ang alam kong um, communist na bansa. Ito yung China, yung nakita mong picture na pinipresent ko yung the Great Wall of China. Ito naman yung sa Russia. At ito namang sa Korea. Pang dalawa, we have Cuba and Vietnam. Ito ang sa Cuba. Ang makita natin sa Vietnam. Ano ba ang communism, no? So, communism is a political and economic system that seeks to create a classless society in which the major means of production, such as mines and factories, are owned and controlled by the public. There is no government or private property or currency, and the wealth is divided among citizens equally or according to individual need. Many of the communism's tenets derive from the works of German revolutionary Karl Marx, who, with Friedrich Engels, wrote the Communist Manifesto in 1848. However, over the years, others have made contributions or corruptions depending on one's perspective to Marxist thought. Perhaps the most influential changes were proposed by Soviet leader Vladimir Lenin, who notably supported authoritarianism. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Again, thank you. Ano to?